ब्रिटिश तो चला गया सर, लेकिन आदत हम लोग का नहीं गया माथा झुकाने के लिए. That why I don't agree with this. I agree with the Honorable Finance Minister. We must look into the, see first the students who are coming from the rural village, reading in college, and they are not less intelligent than the other students. Yes. They may speak in very good English, but their views to disrespect the Indian students of the India, those who have read in village, madrasas, colleges, this is not correct approach.
Yes, yes.
Make it brief. Make it brief. रूडी साहब
आपने ही बोला है मिस्टर रूडी, प्लीज सिट
he has not yielded and
दिस इज नॉट दिस प्लीज मिस्टर
please.
मोदी जी, सॉरी रूडी जी, आपने ही बोला है.
कल्याण बनर्जी,
आई एम नो नो नो, आप लोग कोई नहीं बोला है.
कल्याण बनर्जी,
आई एम डिसएग्री विथ समवन सर.
now if I have given time to you,
तो बोलने दीजिए
you
सर.
must address to the chair.
Yes,
Why
sir.
you are taking cognizance of Rudy ji?
I am sorry, sir. Now, this is the point. All students have to be given a same footing.
And already you have taken 10 minutes. So make
Correct,
it
sir. I have not taken even 4 minutes.
10 minutes. I'm
फोर फाइव
later.
सर बोलने दीजिए ना थोड़ा.
सुनिए.
अभी तो आया, थोड़ा बोलने दीजिए सर. सर सुनिए,
एक बात को एलोबरेट कर रहे हैं.
नहीं.
कई पॉइंट्स आपके हैं,
Sir,
थोड़ा ब्रीफ कर दीजिए.
We are opposing this imposition of 18% GST, charging LIC and health insurance. We are opposing this. Now main question, core questions comes now. Always it is said that the center is giving this to the state, center is giving this to the states. But how much the center is collecting from the states? On the ground, on the account of the income tax, direct taxes, GST, indirect taxes. I give a few statistics. I will not use the expression figures. Mr. Mahatab is there. He knows why I will not.
Certainly.
Direct collection in crores, 3.92%. So far the West Bengal, there the contribution is there. 3.87 in 2019-20. 2020-21, 4.26. 2021-22, 3.81. 2022-23, 3.46. I am making short. 10 top states from where the taxes are collected. 10 states are, one is Maharashtra first, second Karnataka, third Gujarat, fourth Tamil Nadu, fifth Haryana, sixth Uttar Pradesh, seventh Delhi, eighth West Bengal, ninth Telangana, 10 Odisha. The amount which has been collected from these states, how much central government assistance is going to that states? We want to know. We want to know in respect of our state also. How much?
You are a senior advocate. There is a GST council. Your finance minister is also part of that GST.
Sir, I am telling now that GST. I have been said. I will give you the GST statistics. I am ready with the GST statistics. I wanted to
make it brief.
Make it short. But percentage wise, shall I give the all figures? 2018 to 2023. I am having the statistics. But I am not reading. I am totally
22,106.
सेठ बैठिए
वही मैं बोल रही सर. आप जरा सुन लीजिए. आप सुन लीजिए. पिछले 3
आप वकालत करना छोड़ दीजिए.
22,000 करोड़ रुपया पंजाब के रास्ता सड़क बनाने के लिए ही हम दे रहे हैं. सर, रेलवे सर, West Bengal received a record allocation of 13,955 crores for rail infrastructure, railway infrastructure, 1,293 kilometers of new railway tracks constructed since 2014, West Bengal, 9 Vande Bharat trains operationalized for West Bengal, 101 railway stations being redeveloped under Amrit Bharat scheme for Bengal. Indian Railways first Gati Shakti cargo terminal commissioned in Asansol division. In June 2024, Union Cabinet approved Jamshedpur to Purulia Asansol third line. Sir, if this is for railways, we'll go to metro. 38-kilometer metro line constructed since 2014 at a cost of 23,050 crore for Bengal. Roadways, over 2,309 kilometers of national highway constructed in West Bengal since 2014. In August 2024, the CCEA approved 4-lane Kharagpur-Moregram National High Speed Corridor, 231 kilometers at a capital total cost of 10,247 crore, West Bengal. Airways. In August 2024, the CCA approved the development of new civil enclave at Bagdogra Airport, Siliguri, West Bengal at an estimated cost of 1549 crores. Operationalization of Durgapur in 2019, Kuch Bihar in 2023 airports under the RCS Udan scheme. Revamping of Bagdogra and Barakpur airfields at a cost of 500 crore, West Bengal. Social infrastructure and efforts for West Bengal in that direction. 38 lakh houses built for the poor under PM Awas. 93 lakh tap water connection provided on Jal Jeevan Mission, West Bengal. 83 lakh household toilets built under Swachh Bharat Mission, West Bengal. 494 Jan Aushadhi Kendras operationalized in West Bengal. 5.3 crore Jan Dhan accounts opened, West Bengal. 5 crore Mudra accounts sanctioned for West Bengal. I want them to be a bit more patient. I have more things to say about West Bengal. I have more things. I'll come to you. I'll come to you. मैं आ रही हूँ. UP में आ रही हूँ. Please wait. I have more things to say about Bengal.